Let's warm up the wiggles. Here we go. Wiggle your hand. Faster. And faster. Okay, other hand. Let's go. Foot. Other foot. And your whole body, the sillier the better. Okay, I think we're ready to start. Next up, the jump and freeze game. When the music freezes, you jump like crazy. But when the music stops, you freeze like a statue. Let's do it. Go, jump, jump, jump. Jump like crazy. Okay, freeze. Here we go, jump like crazy. Freeze. Go, jump, jump, freeze. And jump, jump, jump. Freeze. Do it again, jump. Higher, go, freeze. And jump.
Wiggle, wiggle, then take flight. Energy beams like a
freeze. And go. Jump, 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 jump. Freeze. Whoa, you were really good at freezing. Now we're gonna wiggle like animals. I'll call out an animal. You wiggle like it. Ready, set, go. Do the monkey wiggles. Okay, next up, do the hamster wiggles. Hamster wiggle.
Swing your arms and bend your knees.
Okay, now do the kangaroo wiggles. Boing, boing.
Roll and stretch and spin around. Wiggle, wiggle till you're upside down. No rules, no plan, just let it flow. Wiggle,
okay, now do the chicken wiggles.
make it slow. Big wiggle, small wiggles every size. Wiggle, wiggle with a sparkle in your eye.
Now do the lion wiggles.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle like an animal.
Let's hear those lion roars.
Move your feet, your hands, and just because. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle in the morning light. Wiggle, wiggle.
Now let's do the penguin wiggles. Now wiggle however you like. Wiggle. These are some great wiggles. Nice job. Now let's slow it down. Sway it out side to side. You danced those wiggles out. That was amazing. Take a big breath in. Let it go. Again, 2 more deep breaths in. And 1 more big deep breath in. Give yourself a big hug. Great job dancing out those wiggles, and a big round of applause. Strike a pose. That was amazing.